Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.